Hi, Steve here from BizWeb. In this video I'm just going to go through a great little tool that we use for collecting email addresses and bits and pieces like that for different purposes inside of our industry. And it's great for doing market research and everything like that. And it's also okay to do a bit of outreach email as long as you're not doing it by spam or anything like that. So we're a business marketing our products to another business. We are able, and we're allowed to in New Zealand, Australia, and other parts of the world, we're allowed to send a single email out to someone to offer a product that can assist them, or a service that can assist them. Okay, so dependent on the laws of your country, sending out marketing material emails can be considered unsolicited and against the law. We've got to tread a really quite delicate line with that. But here is a fantastic tool. Now I'm going to go through. So we've got clients in the building industry. Okay, so here is a members directory for a organization in Australia called NatBuild. Okay, and they have all the different members there with their telephone numbers and addresses and websites. So some of them may have an email, some of them don't. If we want to make a database up so we can call people, nothing wrong with that. If we want to send them out brochures, nothing wrong with that either. Okay, if you want to have their websites on in your database, nothing wrong with that. So this is all about what you do with the information when you get that. Now there's a really good little browser plugin that I use here. Okay, so I'm just gonna see, it's up here, this little circle, and if I click on that, what it does is it scrapes the data from there and puts it into like a Excel spreadsheet. So I can now so you see how it's gone all yellow? It's gone through, picked up everything, and it's given us a format that we can now download. And I'm just going to put that into my downloads folder and go save, and there we are. So I'm going to open that and see what we have. Okay, we just come along here and double tap and just open up everything and see what we've got. So from here we can go through and we can sort out the information itself. So we don't need this column here with these emails, so we'll just delete that one. What else do we have? So we've got websites here, but we've got a double up here. With this one, everything is duplicated, so we'll get rid of that. Because what happens is the way that it's displayed on the back end or the code of the website can be different to what we see on the front. Okay, so we just got to go through and just make sure that everything is all set up. There's email addresses in here, and there's websites and all that. So just a little tidy up is probably all that's required, and stuff like that. So there we go. That is Instant Data Scraper. So if we go back to here, and if you don't know how to get to your extensions and you're in Google Chrome, go to the three dots on the right hand side, okay, and go down to More Tools, and then you go to Extensions. Okay, so this will show all the extensions that you have. Up the top here, you can open up the Chrome Web Store. Okay, and in here, all you need to do is search for Data Scraper. Horrible sounding word, I know, and I can't even spell it properly, but that's okay. And it's going to take a little bit to zoom to check through there, and there we go. This is the one that I'm using here. See, it's got a little added flag on the corner, and it works really, really well. So yeah, it just goes through, scrapes the data out of the HTML, so which is what the website's built in, and it exports it. You can export as an Excel or a CSV file. Okay, perfect. So Let us know if you've got any other questions or anything like that. But this is a fantastic tool. But please use the information that you get legally, okay? Have a great day. Catch you, bye.